So what you see here is the Magic Mina octacopter heavy duty drone. It has been designed and developed by the National Aerospace Laboratory from CSIR Bangalore, right? So it's a heavy duty drone. It has a payload of 20 kgs. It has a quick release mechanism and the applications are practically endless. Firefighting, defense, heavy lifting and agriculture as well. And National Aerospace Laboratories has put a strong focus on the indigenization of components. So 65% of this drone is indigenized and they have a strong focus on that. And this is because of the fact that the software and hardware vulnerability is reduced, which means that if somebody wants to copy these attributes, these technologies, it will be very difficult for them. So what are your thoughts on this particular drone? It is fully functional and they are just waiting for policies on drone to be further improved so that this can be released over a wider scale. What are your thoughts on the Magic Mina octacopter drone? Do let us know in the comments below. And what you see right behind me is the BlueJ autonomous VTOL. Now the VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing, and this is an autonomous flying vehicle and it has a payload capacity of 100 kg. It has a target range of 300 kilometers, zero emissions of course, and few of the applications include offshore and maritime operations, defense and government operations, and cargo delivery in hilly and remote areas. Along with that, if you want to deliver personnel to hilly areas or remote areas, then it can do that as well. The payload of course is slightly low at 100 kg, but yes, this is a prototype and we expect to see this in operation in the near future. So whenever you think of construction equipment, you think of these big machines running on diesel, creating a lot of pollution. Well, that won't be the case anymore, because what we have here is the JCB hydrogen backhoe loader. So this gets a hydrogen combustion engine, makes about 55 kilowatts of power, 440 Newton meters of peak torque, and instead of a diesel fuel tank, this has a hydrogen gas tank, right? And in terms of performance and equipment, it is exactly the same as the diesel machine. Now this is just a technology demonstration. This hasn't been released or launched yet. And yes, a trivia for you, JCB stands for Joseph Cyril Bamford Excavators Limited. So that's the full form of JCB. It's a British company and you have the JCB hydrogen backhoe loader on display at the Bharat Construction Equipment Mobility Expo at Greater Noida, right? What are your thoughts on this green construction equipment with zero emissions? Do let us know in the comments below. So you know that electric cars, electric motorcycles, electric scooters exist, but this here is the Sany SKT105E dump truck, which is fully electric. It costs a cool 5 crore rupees, and yes, it has a battery pack of 423 kilowatt hour and the maximum torque output is a massive 21,000 Newton meters. It has a payload of 70 tons and it gets a charging time of just 1 hour between 25 to 95%. And the applications include mining, construction and so on and so forth. And it has a peak power output of 740 kilowatts. It's huge, it's massive and it's fully electric.